Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have jewelry, so let's get into our mint mongoose and check it out. Mint Mongoose is a monthly jewelry subscription. You will receive it each month for $29.99, but wait, your first month it is free. You just pay the shipping on it. They do send it over to me free for review. The beauty is you have so much control. You can do a necklace and earrings, a necklace and bracelet. You can choose gold, silver, rose gold. I think you could do surprise me. And each month that I have had it, it has been so much fun. Last month, oh, I meant to wear it, but we'll put these on. Last month was my favorite so far. I mean, yeah, that's right. I'm gonna pick favorites. I can't wait to see what this month is. Maybe this will be my new favorite. When we take the card out that's on the back, that is what it looks like. And on the back of the card is a story, because each month, the jewelry that is chosen for a reason. And it's always a family story or a friend story that inspires the jewelry that is in this month's package. And this will always tell you the process and the inspiration behind the set. Helene started this years ago. She worked outside the home, and once she had her daughter, she wanted to be able to stay home with her. That's our little package of goodies. You will also get a little Werther's original each month. I want to get in here. I chose gold, by the way. I wear silver. I came off with no jewelry today. I wear silver and gold, but mostly gold. Inside we have our jewelry package, and it has the Mint Mongoose little tag on it. And I choose necklace and earrings because I love earrings. Again, you would not know that by me today, because I should just act like I planned it, because I wore no jewelry, so I would be able to put all of this immediately on. First we have our necklace. I like this a lot. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. It is just, can you tell? It is gold with little, almost turquoise bead stationing. Some they're apart, some they're together. There's one, there's three. It's just all of them look a little bit different. I like the way that looks a lot. Let's put it on. See, I mean, that's why I didn't wear jewelry. And I will also point out that it always has this extender attached. It was attached here, but you have that much leeway in it. So I would say it probably goes from a 16 to a 20 if I were guessing. Let me show you guys, because you guys know I'm not small. So if I were to put it on the longest extension, this is where it would hang on me. It's way down here on its longest extension. Isn't that pretty? To be expeditious, we'll just leave this here. I generally wear them a little shorter than this, but I just wanted you guys to know. I mean, like I said, you know I'm not petite, and even on me, it can be that long. I have never had one that has come anywhere near being too short for me. Okay, let's get out the earrings. Oh, those are sweet. They're gonna look so nice with it, but not too over the top. We have talked in past months about, do you like your earrings and your necklace to match exactly? I think when they are clunky, not clunky, bigger pieces, I don't love it. But with these smaller ones, like this month or last month with the little hearts that I had with like the little enameled white parts, they're gorgeous and they look so good together. I think these are gonna be the same. These are so cute. It's just a sweet little French wire. And just for the record, I'll try and show these. They come with these little, see the plastic parts? I think you can see those. That you could, if you wanted to, if you tend to like play with your hair a lot, or you think that they'll slip out because just you mess with your earrings, these will help keep them exactly in place. I, as a rule, don't put them on French wires, because even as much as I play with my hair, I find that my earrings stay in place, but you have them if there's something, and you would put them right up at the back up against your ear, so nobody would ever know you had them on there. What a sweet, subtle set with that kind of turquoise look right here to end summer out. I will put all of the information from Mint Mongoose down below that will take you right over to their site. I don't have a link. I don't have a code. I don't have anything that you need to remember about me at all to get the discount, because when you sign up, you'll see right in the link that I give you, it will take you to the page that will get you your first month free. You just pay shipping. And then after that, it is $29.99 a month. You will pick what kind of jewelry you like. You can get necklace and either earrings or bracelet, or you can get all three. If your preference is to get all three, you can do that. And then you can choose what kind of metal you like. You make it fit you. Thank you so much to Mint Mongoose for sending this over. I appreciate you guys coming by to check this out so much. If you are new to the channel, I hope you will consider subscribing, and please hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a great evening, guys. Take care.